can't hear you.
Have a seat in the truck.
I'm right here, Daddy. This ain't no traffic stop. You can't bully me. This ain't no traffic stop. Stop. I know my rights. Where you 6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey, watch out now.
Step over
you
here.
can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other side of the road.
You understand? I'm recording you right now.
Yes, sir.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we are covering a video from the YouTube channel NC Tyrant Hunter. Please take a moment and head over his YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law. Now let's get into today's video. This video took place on May 12th, 2020 in Bunn, North Carolina at the Franklin Correctional Center. NC Tyrant Hunter was filming the correctional facility from the side of a public road when Deputy M. Little of the Franklin County Sheriff's Department pulls up to investigate what NC Tyrant Hunter is doing. This interaction quickly turns sour due to the deputy placing his hands on the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down the footage.
I can't hear you.
Have a seat in the truck.
I'm right here, Daddy. This ain't no traffic stop. You can't bully me. This ain't no traffic stop. Stop with your bullshit. I know my rights. I'm right here, baby. I'm good.
Sir,
You see how big I am?
It's dangerous. You need to step over here.
I'm in control of my safety.
Yes, sir. For your safety, I'm
Hey,
going to
where
step
you
over
6 foot at? Don't touch me. Hey,
Step over
watch
here.
out now.
Step over
you
here.
can't be touching me.
Yeah, step on the other side of the road.
You
Step on
understand?
the other
I'm
side of the
recording
road.
you right now.
Yes, sir. I know
Don't
that.
do it.
Stand over
Are
there.
you stupid?
I don't want you to
Are you stupid? You gotta be stupid
might
for
be.
touching me.
I might be. I don't know.
You know that's
But
a
I want you-
lawsuit, right?
I want you to stand over
Just
here.
like
so
you
don't
talking
get hit.
about putting him back
And
in
I
my
don't
damn
wanna-
truck. I know my rights, dude.
I don't want to get hurt, and I don't want you
Then
to
you
get
should
hurt.
have.
So let me jump in and point out a couple things. First, the deputy states he is placing his hands on the auditor and pushing him away from the road for the auditor and his safety. Please look closely at this picture. The officer opened his door all the way at the side of the road for a full 13 seconds before the white pickup speeds by. Talk about being concerned for safety. Not so much. The second thing I want to point out is in the state of North Carolina, the statute covering misdemeanor assault and battery is covered by Chapter 14-33, and it states any person who commits a simple assault or simple battery or participates in a simple affray is guilty of a Class 2 misdemeanor. Let me know in the comments below if you feel if Deputy Little committed this offense against NC Tyrant Hunter.
Okay, well, I can't do that. I got a call out here to see what's
You didn't
going
get
on.
this ain't a traffic stop though, buddy. You know better.
Look, I got a call out here. I'm on a call, all right?
You
I'm doing an
don't push
investigation.
me though. You don't
All right.
do that.
Yes, sir. I don't want anybody to get hurt. I want to be safe, sir.
Listen, you ain't in
All right.
control of my
Have you got
safety.
some ID, sir?
You ain't getting no ID.
Okay, all right. What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing illegal.
Okay. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm
fine.
great, man.
Okay, all right.
You're not going to be great when I sue your ass for touching me.
All right, you can't
That's
use
unwanted touch.
profanity on the
Unwanted touch.
You can't use
I'm on
profanity.
public property. I can cuss all day long. It's called free speech. I know my rights.
You're wrong, and I'm trying to explain
I'm
it
not
to you.
wrong.
So just don't
I know
cuss
better.
anymore. If you
I know
cuss
better.
Again, I'm
I know
gonna do something
better.
different,
I know
okay?
better.
All right, I'm
I
trying
know
to tell you the statute.
I know.
You can
I
talk
know
over
it.
me.
I know it.
You can talk over me if you want to. That's fine.
That's why.
Look, sir.
You touched me. That's what pissed me off. You shouldn't have touched me.
I'm sorry. I don't want you to get hurt.
I don't care about what you want. I'm in control of my safety.
All right. Well,
You had that's an unwanted
and
touch, and I can press charges on you.
Well, you do whatever you need to do, sir. I just want you to be safe.
Touch
okay,
me,
buddy?
stupid
Okay.
man.
All right.
You shouldn't have never touched me.
Now I got a call out here.
Call for service. Do your job then.
Okay.
Investigate.
Okay.
You see what we doing? That's what we've been doing the whole time.
Y'all, what are you doing?
Filming.
Okay. All right.
Illegal protected activity.
Okay,
And you're gonna push me.
Sir, you keep going back to the question.
Because that pissed me off, and you had no right to touch me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm trying to get
You sorry? You wasn't sorry when I told you to stop three times.
Once we got over here, are we okay now?
3 times. No, we're not okay.
Yes, we're
No, we're
safe.
not okay because
We're
you
safe.
touched me.
Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, and you don't want to give me any information?
You're not getting nothing. You was fine until you put your hands on me, sir.
Sir, you can
What's
say
your
that.
name and badge number?
I don't have a badge number.
ID number.
Yeah, I don't have an ID number.
What's your name then?
Little. It's right here.
Little. So you don't even know what side it's on.
No, I don't, because, I mean...
You don't wear it every day?
Sometimes I wear this uniform,
Yeah,
sometimes I don't.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. I don't work every day.
So now you can get your stuff back in your car and let me do what I come here to do.
Okay, that's fine.
Right.
All right. Have a good day.
Yep.
Be careful.
Yep.
Get hurt, all right?
You know you're going to hear from you touching me like that. I don't care. Listen.
You can't stand.
I'm in control of my safety.
You see this truck?
I see that truck. That's what they're supposed to do. I'm a pedestrian at this point.
Sir, you're on the you're in the roadway. If you go over there 25 feet, you're out the roadway. You can't be out here.
I'm not going out there 25 feet.
You're impeding traffic.
You just did that, not me.
No, he didn't.
You was on that side. He seen you first.
I know.
And if he can't see my feet, something's wrong.
Look, sir.
Just get back in your car.
Okay. All right. Yes, sir.
In the end, Deputy Little met his match and then some when he came across NC Tyrant Hunter. The deputy finally realized that he came across a man that knows his rights and stands up for his rights, and he turned tail and walked away. Well, YouTube, if you want to be schooled in how to talk to the police, please go over and check out NC Tyrant Hunter's YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit your video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.